I'm out here with Deb today. We're gonna take in a couple of rides. He says hi. But we are kind of on a mission, right? So we're on a mission to see how many rides we can possibly get done. It's right about 6:30, so I think once we actually start getting in line, it'll probably be about 7 o'clock. I think Magic Kingdom is closing a little later tonight, so come along for the ride. Let's see how many we can get done. Are you ready? Okay, so today is a little bustly here in the Magic Kingdom. Well, actually all over Walt Disney World. We just finished up some of the Run Disney Springtime races. You can see this lady's got her 10-miler medal there. And I believe that actually took place this morning. So congratulations to all of you that ran the Springtime races. Well done. In fact, actually all the Park Pass reservations were completely sold out for today. A good pro tip is checking those Park Pass reservations in the afternoons, but even after doing that, there just wasn't a whole lot available, so it's a little heavy today. Okay, so all things in relativity, before we actually get down Main Street, we gotta make a pit stop over here at Casey's. So we've kind of made a quick pit stop. We're placing an order. Gonna go ahead and get our grub on, so we'll be fully rested and bellies full for the rides. But we can't overeat, none of that. So yeah, mobile order is placed, just waiting for that to be done, and that should be just a few minutes. This is what happens when we make a spontaneous decision here that wasn't on the plan. We decided to hop in Casey's, grab some food. As you can see, Magic Kingdom is so bustly, all the tables indoor and outdoor are already filled. And this is where we've resorted to, right here in front of the hub. In fact, I think absolutely everybody is here in front of the hub eating. So we're right here in front of the hub eating, and Dev's got his corn dog nuggets, right? And your fries. Are they good? Really good? And I think Jonathan and I are gonna split the foot-long hot dog. Ooh, that's enough. That's a lot. That is definitely a lot. But then I also ordered the extra cheese sauce for the fries. Okay, I think we're headed out through Adventureland first. Jungle Cruise is the first stop on our ride adventure for the night. It had a posted wait time of 60 minutes. We'll see how fairly accurate that is, but yeah, we'll start there and see where the wind takes us. Oh no, as we're walking closer and closer in here, it looks like the camel is spitting. Let's see if we can get him again. Watch out for that camel, he spits. Oh, he's picking out his next victim. Don't let it be us. There it goes. All right, Jungle Cruise says that we are 75 minutes. When we first got here at 6:40, it said it had a 60-minute wait. We're gonna go ahead and time it, so it's 7:10 right now. We'll see how long we actually take in the line. I'm hoping that it's gonna be a little bit shorter, but I guess we'll have to wait and see, because what's making me hopeful is that the lightning lane doesn't look like it's very backed up. And it seems like they're moving the boats pretty quickly, so that's a good thing. It's been 15 minutes already. You can see we've made pretty good progress through the line. I know that we just opened up another lightning lane window, like time frame, so there's been quite a few lightning laners come in, but the real fun of this attraction is looking through all of the queue line features and spotting all those hidden gems. All right, this is our 30-minute update in the line. You can see we've made actually pretty good progress. So it's right here, 7:39. Ooh, that's blurry, sorry. But yeah, 7:39, so I'm 1 minute shy. But it looks like we've only got the rest of this line. Then we kind of switch back around through here to kind of get to the front of that line to be grouped into boarding. So not a bad wait so far. I think we're gonna make it before the 75-minute mark. I don't think we're gonna have to wait the full expected wait time. We'll see though. Here we go. This is it. We are right at 7:53. I'm sorry that's blurry for you to see, but we're already grouped in for our next boat, and it looks like we're going to the Volta Val. Let's go have a good ride, everybody. Did you find a new friend, Dev? Did you find a new friend? Is it not jumping? Not today? Oh man. Yeah. Here we go. Let's board the boat.
For people reasons, that was a joke. Okay, it looks like we're almost ready to go, and we are clear. Pick up the handbook for all those nice people up there on the job. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody. I guess think about these people too. Bye-bye. With any luck, we'll never see any of them again. Anyway, welcome to the it today, shall we? Now, I know you're probably wondering, Skipper Allison, why would they call it inspiration falls? Well, I have heard that if you stare into those falls long enough, go ahead. It'll inspire. Just about anyone.
What? I don't know. It'll inspire just about anyone.
To go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle, which is probably what we should be doing. I'm also very excited because I've actually planned a welcoming party up ahead. There's going to be singing, dancing, drinks, charcuterie, so let's go ahead and swing up. Oh no. I'm so embarrassed. I think something scared them off. Okay, game plan. If y'all see anything scary, please let me know. I get very scared very easily. So if it looks like... What are you looking at?
Nothing.
It's behind me? Yeah. Is it really big? Should I turn the... Oh! And I was going to stop and grab y'all some snacks, but it looks like the wind turns beat us to it. No, these snacks have been really driving me bananas. Do you see what they did to my Jeep? Oh my gosh, they painted it blue. Just kidding. They got it to turn over, that's great. You know what we call that around here? Triple H. Now this is one of my favorite spots out here in the jungle. It is our beautiful, beautiful sandstone formation. As you can see, so many cool animals like to hang out here. It's pretty great. But some people don't know why, they just take it for granted. It is very sad, I know, but it is one of our older attractions, and honestly, I just think it rocks. Hopefully you do too. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? That sleeping zebra being guarded over by that family of lions in the tree. That is so sweet. That is so Oh, I forgot which way we're supposed to go. Okay, I think we're going this way today. We're going this way. Named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert. And there's my apartment. Really cool Airbnb, I love it. And look at these guys, he has the microphone and everything. Maybe they've been practicing their jokes. Okay, let's give them a chance. All right, what do you got? It was safe. Aw, that is actually very sweet though. They're playing with the butterflies. Good. I love butterflies, I do. But I just have to say it. They are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. But if this wasn't already the best day ever, it is now because we just found the 8th wonder of the world by continent. But that's just me and like you get a chemistry joke, honestly. But it looks like it was worth it. Because we have now stumbled into a beautiful, elegant, moving pool. This is amazing. Look at all of them. And I actually just learned a really fun fact about them too. Did you know that out of all the animals in the jungle, the elephant has one of the I know, see. I didn't know that. I know. I was trying to remember like that because I didn't know anything. No, I did actually hear though. These elephants have been known to spring happy so I think we should just go around the head. Yeah. This way. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Okay, hold on. Come on, baby. No. I'm so sorry. Get down, look out. Just kidding. You know, a lot of people, they think that that's water that they squirt out of their trucks, but it's not. Alright, well, here we are. There are those docks, so that does mean our journey is coming to an end. Man, those 2 hours out there with you guys together. My gosh, that was Just kidding, I love my job. Alright, here we go. I guess there's really only one thing left to say after a cruise like that, and I really truly do mean this. I do, from the bottom of my shallow, khaki heart, down to the bottom of this well. I guess it's a shallow khaki boat. Here it goes. At helm. Get out. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I don't know why I said that. I'm so sorry. Let me try again. I meant, please get out. Roger and Roger set these. Those handrails have a great time out there.
Okay, that's it. We're off the Jungle Cruise. It's time to make this kind of like full about Adventureland. So I think we're headed over to Pirates. Let's go. All right, here we go. Pirates of the Caribbean now. We are headed over for the standby line. It still says 30 minutes. So we'll see if we can kind of trust this starting now. Let's see. It is, oh, my watch is updating. Do what?
It kind of feels like we're going through a walkway.
8:12 it is. All right, here we go. Let's see how.
Just walking in.
It does. Yeah, it does feel like we're kind of just walking in, and you can see all the line through here. They're just walking straight through, so we might get through this one pretty quickly. We'll time it. Oh my goodness, it's only 8:14 and we're pretty much right here at the division for us for the line where we either go left or we go up right. And it's only been 2 minutes, so I'm excited to see how well this one plays out for us. Start to finish, guys, 4 minutes, and the posted wait time was 30 minutes. This is incredible. Now it's time to play Miranda's favorite game. Can we get the cast member to wave to us? Let's see what we can do. Let's get everybody in here. Okay, let's do it. Let's see if we can get them to wave. Yes, we got it away. Thank you. I love it. I love this game. Cast members here are amazing.
Your feathers, dearie. Show them your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up me arties.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads?
Cool, my dear Randa. Search all you want, Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here.
a quick ride that was, but check this out. We happened to see this the last time we were here in Pirates. They've snuck away some Jungle Cruise merch here in the Pirates of the Caribbean store. So you've got this lovely like cookie jar with the skipper, and you've got some Jungle Cruise t-shirts. Look at these cool Jungle Cruise magic bands. Oh, these are pretty neat. And they've got these water bottles, these tumblers. Let's see, these are $19.99. The magic bands are bronze, so they're $29.99. I have no idea how much that cookie jar is. I'm going to assume at least $60. This one says, the amazing, colossal, stupendous, eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. And this one is $36.99. But then they've also got the Jungle Cruise board game here, which is an exclusive to the Disney parks for $44.95. They've even got a nice little drawing here in the different matted cutouts. And I love this Jungle Cruise skipper bag. It's $49.99, but it's got the wheel and the different belts there. And look at all the little tiki masks there on the side pockets. Well done. I love this little section. Look at this hidden gem that we found. It's the Indiana Jones Ark of the Covenant in the Metal Earth series. This one is $19.99, but you can pick it up here inside the Pirates of the Caribbean gift shop. Oh my goodness, then they've got Indiana Jones's whips. Oh man, my brother was looking for this for like 30 years now. Branded Indiana Jones for $49.99. I'm gonna have to tell him. Might have to get him one. Oh no, this pressed penny machine is down, but look at all these really cool designs here for the Pirates of the Caribbean. We've got Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Dead Men Tell No Tales, Donald, Pluto, looks like a skull and crossbones, and of course the Pirates of the Caribbean Black Pearl there. They're $1 each, or you can get all 8 for only $5. Unfortunately, it's out of order, but these are the designs in real life. How cool are they? Okay, I think the plan now is to run out of Adventureland into Frontierland and see if we can get in line for Big Thunder Mountain and time it just right, if we're lucky enough that we're able to ride Big Thunder Mountain during the fireworks. Can we do it? We did it the other night. Let's see if we can try it again. Okay, Big Thunder Mountain says that it's a posted wait time of 50 minutes. We're seeing people running through here. Let's hope that that only takes us about 30 minutes. If we want to time this just right. We'll see. It's 8:33. We'll see how long it takes us to get through. I don't know if you can see them going or not, but it looks like we're about halfway there. We've made it pretty far, and it's only been 12 minutes. So it's 8:45. Fireworks start at 9. I think we might be able to make it, or just barely skid right after. We'll see. I'm getting anxious. Oh, are you seeing all the things? Are they working now?
Some of them.
Some of them are. Not all of them are. That first one, I think, was. Oh, there they go. We're doing it. We're making it. We are at 8:50 and getting in the line down here. I'm getting so anxious. What do you think, Deb? Are we going to make it? Fireworks on the ride or no?
I think so.
You think so? Alright, I think so. I trust you. I trust your opinion. Are you going to steer us wrong?
What?
Are you going to steer us wrong?
I don't know.
That's okay. It's a lot of pressure. I feel it.
I can't tell the future.
I know. I'm with you. But do you think, would it be cool or no?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll happen? Gotta believe it'll happen, right? Yeah, gotta believe it'll happen. Gotta keep believing it'll happen. Okay, it's 8:54. Train just pulled in. Here we go. Let's hope that we're not too early. Maybe take our time getting in through here.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses,
Oh no.
remove them.
We're pulling out at 8:55. Let's see how this goes, you guys. No promises. But here we go. 4:57. Oh no! Just a tad early for those fireworks, but still a great view. Let's see, can we see the ram? There he is. Keep and watch. Put your hands up, everybody. We're going down. Woo! Seen on that one. Woo! Alright, we're at 2 more minutes. Let's see if we can last long enough. I don't think so, but we'll see. Oh no! Dinosaur! Oh! You want to get in and go again? It's 8:58. There's 2 more minutes. Oh,
We can run
man.
Yeah, there's nobody.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can do it. Round 2. Okay, this is it. We're making a full-on sprint. Round 2 on Big Thunder. Can we do it? Can we make it through the ride before the fireworks end? Will we see fireworks? Oh man, let's see. Run! We're hearing the music start up. We gotta keep going. Oh man! Look how empty this queue line is right now. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. We're gonna just like walk right back in. Oh man, and you can hear the fireworks starting to go off too. Whoa.
Under 5 minutes.
I know. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, that one does work. Keep going, keep going. Oh man, I just missed it. There they go. That's what we're hoping to see right there. All right, back in and out. It's 9:02. Took us a total of 4 minutes to get back on the ride, through the queue line, and now clearly to get sorted. 4 minutes. Yep, that was it. That's all it took. All right, here's our train. They're back, they're back. Okay, round 2, here we go.
Y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Cuide a sus pequeños. Muchas gracias.
Let's go. All right.
For your safety.
All right, here's takeoff, round 2. Somebody's excited to ride. my goodness, that was such a rush. Oh no, it's so out of focus. Oh, Elsa. Wow, that was incredible. So much fun. Everybody out here is doing what we did the other day and sitting out here right by Big Thunder Mountain and watching the fireworks. Ooh, so nice. I heard of some people, they're like, we're going again, we're going again. I don't blame you, friends. We took that plan too. Look at all the fireworks. Oh man, how cool is this? You can see the castle-like projections too. Oh wow, that's big. Woo, look how big that is. Alright, last shots of the fireworks right here, just over Liberty Square, going into Fantasyland, but we're going to take a detour over to the left and try and see if we can get onto the Haunted Mansion fairly quickly. Wonder what those wait times are. Whoa! I guess Tinkerbell just flew. Okay, Haunted Mansion says it's a 15-minute wait. Let's see how quickly we can get through. So 15-minute wait has turned into like just walk right on in. So I guess they're anticipating the rush pretty quickly because they've got all this roped off currently. But they're probably going to have a bunch of people through here real soon, as soon as these fireworks are done. Oh my goodness, we're walking straight in. This is crazy.
When ghosts are present, practicing
That's
their
what's
terror.
cool. Fireworks leading the way.
Delight.
Oh, right in. Nice. Alright guys, it's 9:16, which means the fireworks still are not technically over for another 2 minutes, but we're already in the pre-show for Haunted Mansion.
Consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say,
Wow, look how dead this is. This is insane. Oh, nope, and we're stopped. Why are we stopped? This is interesting. Looks like they're going to be moving pretty soon. We're having some good luck here on these rides. Let's keep it going the rest of the night. Oh my goodness. It's my favorite, and we were on the ride in 2 minutes. That's crazy. Pre-show and everything. Alright guys, enjoy the mansion. So right now it's 9:33. The fireworks are over at about 9:18. Either they've done a really great job at improving the transportation out of the Magic Kingdom and the system, or it's just everybody was ready to go back and ride the rides, but we got out really quick. We've done nothing but just keep walking the entire time, and it looks like it might be that way going forward out of here. But thank you guys for joining us. We had such a fun, pack-filled night, and I think we kind of proved our system works there. So riding the rides during the fireworks definitely helps there towards the end of the night. But because it's getting late and we're running into the week, we're gonna call it a night here. So thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next ride. Bye everyone.